I've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting for how many years? I don't know. But meanwhile, I was waiting. I watched this. No, I read the manga like 3 or 4 times while watching this. This is gonna be bomb. What I'm talking about is Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man. Reze. How do you even say? Reze arc. It's gonna be crazy. This trailer has dropped like 3 days ago, but I haven't watched it yet. So I'm very excited. I am very excited. Let's just watch. Wait.
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Holy
最強に元気な
shit!
明日の休み、私とデートしない？やったー！デンジ君みたいな面白い人、初めて。
Oh my
マキマさん
god!
は俺に心ってあると思います？
どうしてそんなことを聞くの？私が全部教えてあげる。
どうしよう、目つむると二人になっちまったよ。俺が知り合う女がさ、全員俺んこと殺そうとしてんだけど、あいつに店長をやるわけにはいかない。逮捕する。
人間は苦しんで死ぬべきだと思ってる。
これが正解だよな。ジェイサー様、大キャービーム、俺に後悔させんじゃね
えぞ。 Oh my god! This is gonna go. Oh my god, this is gonna be crazy. So the first thing I'm very happy about is they're not using CGI anymore. Yeah, this is like drawn, no CGI, which is the only problem people had on the Chainsaw Man the first season. So yeah, so oh my god. Season 2, look at this. This panel. This is so... Oh my god. This is gonna be crazy. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Wait. Did they announced it? There's no date, so 2025. So yeah, here I'm gonna break down what's gonna happen in Season 2. So from this trailer I'm just gonna explain a little because I already read the manga, so I know what's gonna happen. So yeah, here in this scene, right, or Denji goes to just a normal cafe and meets this girl who's a Reze, and she's gonna be meeting this girl. And yeah, but if you hear this part,
明日の休み。
yeah, she asks like, wanna go on a date with me? Which is crazy because our Denji loves Makima. And yeah, this is... He's going crazy, yeah. But before the date, she also like meets this girl and...
マキマさんは俺に心ってあると思います？
Yeah, so yeah. In this part, if you listen to this, like, yeah, she tells her, I'll teach you everything. And if you know what I mean, just look at this panel, and if the girl's saying like, I'll teach you everything, what are you gonna expect? that's gonna happen. It's gonna go crazy. So yeah, like, and then after a little while, the one of the best actions, best fighting scene from the Chainsaw Man, the first chapter. Yeah.
逮捕する。
人間は苦しんで死ぬべきだと思う。
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a banger. Like, it's gonna go crazy, and it might be a little bit degenerate, but yeah. From what I remember, she didn't have any underwear, but instead, like, she covers up. Oh, well, whatever. No, too much detail. Too much information. Well, yeah. So in this season, there's gonna be the peak moments of Chainsaw Man's. So if you liked the first season, you must watch this season, like, no matter what, because well, mainly because of this girl. Yeah, well, so hope you enjoyed this. Oh, and I don't know, just okay, bye.
どっちがいい？